In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the default page of your website. First, make sure you are logged in as administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin, Settings, and then the Basic Details tab. Scroll down to Default Page. The default value here is set to Upcoming Events. Now browse to the page on your website that you would like to be the default. In the address bar, copy the value of the event parameter. For example, News. Paste this value into the default page field. Please ensure you click the Update button at the bottom of the page to save any changes. Click on the home page to see your changes. If you would like to amend this back at any time, you can do so by entering Upcoming Events in the default page field. And that's it, you can now successfully change the default page of your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.